Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many players prefer a physical controller for Genshin Impact, and your PS4 DualShock 4 is a fantastic option for mobile. This process is straightforward and doesn't require any special apps or complex configurations. We'll get you set up quickly, allowing you to enjoy Teyvat with improved control and comfort, making your adventures even more immersive on the go. To begin, make sure your PS4 controller is ready to connect, ideally with a good battery level. Now, locate the small share button on the left side of the touchpad and the central PlayStation button. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time for about 3 seconds until you see the light bar rapidly flashing white. This flashing light confirms your controller is actively looking for a device to pair with. With your controller actively in pairing mode, pick up your mobile device and navigate to its Settings application. Inside Settings, locate and tap on the Bluetooth option. Ensure Bluetooth is switched on, and your device will automatically scan for available connections. You'll then see DualShock for wireless controller appear in the list. Tap this to connect. Once paired successfully, your controller's light bar will turn a solid blue, ready for gameplay. Now for the fun part. Go ahead and open the Genshin Impact application on your smartphone or tablet. The game is designed to automatically recognize external controllers, so your connected DualShock 4 should be detected almost instantly. You can confirm this by trying to navigate the in-game menus with your controller's joystick or D-pad, or by moving your character around. You're now ready to explore Teyvat with the precision and comfort of your PS4 controller. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor connection glitches. Try powering your phone and controller off and on again. If issues persist, go back to your Bluetooth settings, forget the DualShock 4 wireless controller, and then repeat the pairing steps. Always keep an eye on your controller's battery level to avoid interruptions. With these tips, you're all set for an optimized Genshin Impact experience on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.